Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials, and in this video we are going to be learning how you can add captions on your videos. So let's jump right into it. So CapCut provides you this amazing feature of auto caption. So let's say if I have a couple of videos onto my timeline and beneath that I apply a voiceover. So as you can hear,
hi, I am Jenny and today I will show you how.
So as you can see, we have this voiceover below. Now we need captions for that. What we can do is we need to head over to our text option from the top left side of your screen. Click on that, and in here you can see we have this option of auto caption. Click on that, and here you need to select a language in which you want your captions for, and once you select that, and then you need to click on create. Just wait for a couple of moments, and here as you can see our captions are ready. And now if you play our video,
I am Jenny and today I will show you how to link accounts.
So that's a pretty simple process on how to add captions on your video in CapCut. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.